Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is statements and expressions. This is the third topic in Python basics. Let's begin. These are the examples of expressions. Expression is a combination of variables, operators, and values that yields a result value. An expression represents something which Python evaluates and which then produces a value. Statements represent an action or command, example print statement, assignment statement, etc. These are the example of statements. Here the right hand side of the equal sign is called an expression, which is a direct output or it is evaluated to get output. The expression is evaluated and assigned to a variable, which makes it a statement. Statements can be categorized into single line statements and multi-line statements. A single line statement is written in one line. For example, x is equal to 3 plus 2. In a multi-line statement, a single line statement can be broken down to multi-line using some symbols such as backslash, parenthesis, square bracket, curly bracket. Let's write a multi-line statement. Let's try with a simple expression. Now I am giving a backslash here and enter. So now you can see that the line is continuing to the next line. So the three dots indicates that it is a continuation of the line. Again I am going to give a backslash. Again it is continuing the line. So I want to end the statement here. So the statement ends here. Now you can see the result. Let's write a sentence. Now I want to continue this to the next line. So I can give backslash, enter. Again backslash. So now I want to end this statement. So I am giving a single quotes here, enter. So now it prints as a single line. Let's create a multi-line statement using parentheses and square bracket. Here we need not give backslash because there is a open bracket and this statement will continue until we give the closed bracket. Now again I am giving enter. So it continues the line. So now I want to end the statement. I have to give the close bracket, enter. Now you can see the result. Let's try with a square bracket. Now it continues the line. Now I want to end the statement. For that I have to give the close square bracket, enter. Now you can see the result. Multi-line statements can be converted to a single line by adding a semicolon after each statement to make it a single line statement. Now let's write a multi-line statement and convert that into a single line. Num1 is equal to 10. So now this is a multi-line statement. Let's convert that into a single line. Num1 is equal to 10. We need to use a semicolon to continue in the same line. Semicolon. Num2 is equal to 20. Then again semicolon. Result is equal to num1 plus num2, then semicolon, int result. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.